Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss some example related to distance formula. So our first question, show that the points A, B, C and D, 4 points is given, are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, but it is not a rectangle. So first of all, prove that this condition, here 4 vertices is given, and using by these vertices, first of all prove A, B, C, D are parallelogram. After second question is it is not a rectangle. So prove both these condition. So first of all, find out here using by distance formula, find out the distance of AB after BC, CD and DA. So first find out AB. So first written here A coordinate 1, 2, 3, B coordinate -1, -2, -1, C coordinate 2, 3, 2 and D coordinate 4, 7, 6. Now after using by distance formula, AB is equal to under root 1 minus minus plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus minus plus 2 whole square plus 3 minus minus plus 1 whole square. So is equal to under root 1 plus 1, that means 2. 2 square means 4. Plus 2 plus 2 4. 4 square means 16. Plus 3 plus 1 4. 4 square means again 16. So is equal to 16 plus 16 32. 32 plus 4, that means 36. So remove this term. So here we get AB is equal to 6. Now after find out BC. So BC is equal to distance of B to distance of C. That means -1 -2 whole square plus -2 -3 whole square plus -1 -2 whole square. So is equal to under root -2 -1, that means -3 whole square 9, -2 -3, that means -5 whole square means 25 plus 9. Now add this number, so 25 plus 18, so 25 plus 18, that means 40. Now after find out CD and DA, so therefore CD is equal to, again here using by distance formula, so 2 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. So simplify this term. So is equal to under root 2 minus 4, that means -2 whole square 4, -4 whole square 16, 2 minus 6, that means -4 whole square again 16. So add this number, so we get 36 and square root of 36, that means 6. Now after find out DA, so DA is equal to under root 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. So is equal to under root 1 minus 4, that means -3, minus 3 whole square means 9 plus 2 minus 7 means minus 5 whole square, that means 25 plus 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square means 9. Now add these numbers, so again here we get 40. So now first find out AB, after find out BC, CD and DA. So here any two sides are equal. So CD is equal to, here we get 6 and AB is also, here we get 6. So therefore here we can written, so AB is equal to CD and same way BC is equal to, we get DA. So therefore here we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. So now here find out all these four sides. Now any two sides are equal, so that's why we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. But here another question is asked, it is not a rectangle. So how can we find out it is not a rectangle? So now after find out the diagonal of AC and diagonal of BD, here we can find out AB and C, A, B, C and D. So here AB and CD are equal and same way BC and DA both are equal. Now after find out the diagonal of AC and BD and diagonal of AC and BD both are equal, so we can say that they are rectangle. Otherwise this is not a rectangle. So now after find out the distance of AC and BD. So therefore AC is equal to under root 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. Now simplify this term. So is equal to 1 minus 2, that means minus 1 whole square means 1. 2 minus 3, that means 1, and 3 minus 2 also 1. So is equal to AC is equal to, here we get under root 3. Now after find out BD, so again here using by distance formula, so is equal to under root BD, that means minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus minus 2 minus 7 whole square plus minus 1 minus 6 whole square. Now simplify this term. So minus 1 minus 4, that means 25 and minus 5 and minus 5 whole square, that means 25 plus minus 9 whole square means 81 plus minus 7 whole square means 49. Now add this number, so here we get under root 155. Now AC is equal to, here we get under root 3 and BD is equal to, here we get under root 155. So here diagonal of both these sides AC and BD are not equal. That's why we can say that this parallelogram is not a rectangle. So therefore here we can say that AC not equal to BD. So therefore parallelogram ABCD is not rectangle. Right? So in case of parallelogram, check out all these four sides are opposite two sides are equal, and in case of rectangle, check out the diagonal. Okay, diagonal here equal position, so we can say that this parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle, but here diagonal is not equal. That's why we can say that this ABCD is not a rectangle. Okay. Next question. Find the equation of the set of point P such that its distance from the points A and B are equal. So here one point is point P is present, and distance of the point A and distance of the point B are equal is given. Our question is find out the equation. So first of all, here we can consider let P coordinate x comma y comma z. Now here another condition is present. So the distance of P to the distance of A and distance of B are equal. That means here condition is given PA is equal to PB. Now after squaring on both the sides, so therefore PA square is equal to PB square. So therefore PA square means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus plus 5 whole square is equal to PB square, that means x plus 2 whole square y minus 1 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square. Now after simplify this term, so x minus 3 whole square, that means here using by the identity a minus b whole square. So therefore x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 plus z square plus 10z plus 25 is equal to, same way simplify opposite side. So x plus 2 whole square, that means x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 plus z square minus 8z plus 16. Now x square cancel out in opposite side. Same way y square also cancel out, z square also cancel in opposite side. Now remaining term written in one side and simplify this term. So here we get answer. So minus 6x minus 4x plus minus, okay, here minus 8y plus 2y plus 10z plus 8z. Now 16 plus 9 means 25. Add this number plus 25 means 50 minus 16 plus 4 20 plus 1 21 is equal to 0. Now after minus 6x minus 4x, that means minus 10x minus 8y plus 2y means minus 6y plus 18z. 50 minus 21 means plus 29 is equal to 0. Now here minus sign present in first term, so remove this minus sign, that means minus sign we can take common, and opposite side 0 is present, so remove this condition. So therefore here written 10x plus 6y minus 18z minus 29 is equal to 0 is our required equation of required equation. Okay. Next question. The centroid of the triangle ABC at the point 1, 1, 1. That means here centroid is given. Now, if the coordinate of A and B is given, find the coordinate of point C. That means here triangle ABC is given, centroid G point is already given. Here find out the coordinate of point C. So, first we can consider, suppose C into bracket x comma y comma z. That means C coordinate, here we can consider x, y and z. Now centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. So here we can written directly. No need to require here written here formula. So 1 is equal to x plus 3 minus 1 divided by 3. 1, right, here y coordinate, centroid of y coordinate here given 1. So 1 is equal to y minus 5 plus 7 divided by 3. And z coordinate, centroid of z is 1. So 1 is equal to 7 minus 6 plus z divided by 3. Now 3 multiply with 1, so 3 is equal to x plus 3 minus 1 means 2. Now plus 2 written in opposite side and change the sign. So therefore 3 minus 2 is equal to x. So here we get x coordinate is equal to 1. Now similarly 3 multiply with 1. So again here written 3 is equal to y. 7 minus 5 means 2. Again 2 written for opposite side and change the sign. So therefore 3 minus 2 is equal to y. So here we get y coordinate is equal to 1. Same way 3 is equal to 1 plus z. So z is equal to 2. So therefore here we can written C coordinate x, y, z. That means 1, 1, comma 2. So we get C coordinate 1, 1, 2. Next question. If A and B points 3, 4, 5 and minus 1, 3, minus 7 respectively. Find the equation of the set of point P such that a condition is given PA square plus PB square is equal to K square, where K is constant. Now here point P is given, but in our question point P is not present. So first of all here we can consider let P coordinate x comma y comma z. Now here condition is given PA square plus PB square is equal to K square. So here we can written now PA square plus PB square is equal to K square. So therefore PA square, PA that means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square plus PB square, that means x plus 1 whole square, z minus 3 whole square, y minus 3 whole square plus z minus plus 7 whole square is equal to k square. Now simplify this term. So therefore x minus 3 whole square, that means x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 plus z minus 5 whole square, that means a minus b whole square identity. So z square minus 10z plus 25 plus again same identity x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 plus z square plus 14z plus 49 is equal to k square. Now after simplify this term, so x square plus x square, that means 2x square plus y square plus y square, so here written plus 2y square plus z square plus z square is equal to 2 times z square plus minus 6x plus 2x, that means minus 4x minus 8y minus 6y, that means minus 14y, and minus 10z plus 14z means plus 4z. Now add and subtract this term. So 9 plus 16, that means 25 plus 25 means 50 plus 1 plus 9, 60, 60 plus 49, that means 109. So here we can written plus 109 is equal to k square. Now 109 written in opposite side, so therefore remaining term 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 4x plus minus 14y plus 4z is equal to k square minus 109. Now here 2 we can take common in whole this term, and after these 2 written in opposite side, so our final answer x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x, right? 2 we can take common in left hand side term, so minus 2x minus 7y plus 2z is equal to 2 we can take common, and after these 2 written in opposite side, so we can written in divisible form. So now our final answer x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 7y plus 2z is equal to k square minus 109 divided by 2. Clear?